Hey guys, welcome back to the Blue Ocean Market. Here is Chef Anthony, kind of going back into the cellar here, digging down to see old recipe we used to make. Originally this was a chicken dish, but we're going to make it with shrimp. So we're going to do blackened shrimp over penne pasta and with a little bit of a spicy Alfredo sauce. So let's get started, okay? We have some beautiful North Carolina green-tail shrimp, a little bit of blackening spice onto the shrimp. We're just going to kind of toss them around. Don't have to go too crazy. Remember, we can always add heat. It's kind of hard to pull the heat out once we get it going. A little stick of whole butter here right into our pan. We're going to then add our shrimp, and this dish is going to go really, really, really fast. Okay? So there's our butter. Here comes our shrimp. Our shrimp's in. Kind of working that around pretty quickly. Get those shrimp working, get the butter working right there. All right. All right, we're gonna flip those shrimp real quick. Just wanna get one side kind of started. All right. Shrimp getting turned over. Worst thing we can do here is overcook the shrimp. Notice how we still have some butter working. Shrimp have some nice color to them. We're going to add some pasta. A little bit more of the blackening spice. A little bit of heavy cream. A little bit of cheese. That's a little Parmesan right there for you. A little bit of salt and pepper. Not too crazy. Kind of work that around in our pot. And we're going to turn it to high and reduce. As soon as it's reduced to the consistency that we like, we're going to plate it. Everything will be cooked, hot, and spicy. It's actually, even though it's spicy, it's a nice summer dish. The spices kind of help you cool you down a little bit. And like I said, this is kind of a throwback to the old cooking days. All right, so we're bringing it over. It's done. We're gonna add a few local diced tomatoes from Merrill Farms right here. Some scallions. We're gonna give it a real quick toss. And we're going straight to the plate, guys. Dinner in seconds. A few more tomatoes on top. A few more scallions. A little bit of cheese. Literally dinner in less than 3 or 4 minutes. Very easy to do.